Sissy. Morning, Mooney. Moonlight, darling, do you mind taking Sophie to school this morning? I have to go to work in like 5 minutes, so I won't have time to go drop her off. Yeah, of course, it's not a long walk, so I think we should be good. Great, I better get ready. See you girls tonight. Bye, Mom. Bye, sweetie. Have a good day. I'm done. Alright, great. Go get dressed and brush your teeth, and we should be ready to go. Okay, great. I'm ready. Great, let's go. Alright, Sophie. Have a good day, okay? I will. Oh, and don't forget, Sophie, that I have to pick you up today because Mom has to work late. Mom had to leave early and has to work late? What is this madness? That's sometimes how it has to be for adults. You'll have to deal with that kind of stuff too one day. That sounds like it sucks. Yeah, well, it's all part of growing up. I'll see you this afternoon. Alright, love you, Mooney. Bye. Hey, dude, have you heard the rumors about this town? Yeah, apparently on Halloween night. Ugh. Hey, guys. Oh, hey, girl. What's up? Nothing much. How was your guys' weekend? Pretty good. Yours? It was fine, I guess. Just getting a little sick and tired of all the rumors in this town. Same. I've been hearing them everywhere I go. I've heard that on Halloween night, every 100 years, this town is cursed. Stuff is fake. No, seriously, it's real. And how exactly would you know that? I don't know, I can just feel it. Don't you guys get a spooky vibe from this town? I mean, a little bit. But it's probably because we're literally in the middle of nowhere. We're not near any other towns or cities. That makes sense, I guess. Oh, I'll let you go. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright, class, today we're going to be learning. Who's there? Hello? What's that noise? Teacher? Yes? May I go to the restroom? Go ahead, but be quick. Thank you. What the hell just happened? I'm probably just losing it. I'll just give myself 5 minutes and then I'll head back to class. Sissy, are you alright? You don't look too good. I'm fine, Sophie, really. I'm just gonna go up to my room and take a small nap. But I wanted to tell you all about my day. You can tell me later, okay? Where am I? What's going on? Hello? Is anyone there? Is that blood? Moonlight. Who's there? When you hear a wolf's howl, blood will be shed, tears will fall, and screams will be heard through the whole forest. Stop messing with my head. No, this has to be some kind of nightmare. It wasn't real. It was all just a dream. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock already. Better go down and eat breakfast. Morning, Mom. Morning, Sissy. Oh, you guys waited for me?
Of course, Sissy. That's the right thing to do.
You know, your sister's learning quick. She said she was hungry, but she said that it was more important to wait for you. Aw, Sissy. By the way, honey, are you alright? You don't look too good. Yeah, I just had a really bad dream. Oh, well, I'll be right back, girls. I gotta go answer the phone, and then you can tell me about your bad dream, okay? You know, Sophie, you are really smart for your age. Thanks, Sissy. You're okay, too. Okay, moment's over. I know you don't want to, but you don't have much of a choice. You need to send it. Ugh!
Mommy, who is that on the phone?
No one, honey, just your dad. He's refusing to send child support. Classic dad. He doesn't give a living shit about us. Hey, do not use that language in front of your sister. And yes, he does. Then why'd he leave? Moonlight, we're not getting into this conversation right now, honey. I don't want you to start an argument. Yeah, you're right. Hey, Mom, is it okay if I have some friends over? Yeah, of course, honey. We're free tonight since your sister already did all her trick-or-treating the other night. Great. I'll go make some phone calls. Oh, hey, are you guys free tonight? I mean, I know I am. Are you? Yeah, I'm free. That's why I called you. I was wondering if you guys wanted to come over. Oh, yeah, sure. I'll call the other girls, see what's up with them. All right, just text me whenever you guys get here later, okay? All right, see ya. Bye. When are they gonna be here? Oh, that must be them. I'm so glad you guys could show up. Yeah, honestly, I was just bored at home doing absolutely nothing. Same, my parents say I'm too old for trick-or-treating. Yeah, well, my little sister could go. Okay, so what do you guys want to do tonight? Well, I better not stay up too late, because, you know. Dreamer, we told you those things aren't real. Just to be safe. Fine, we'll go to bed at 11. How's that? It's before 12, so I think that should be good. All right, go with me. Okay, let's turn on a movie and paint each other's nails. I'll go get the stuff. Girl, did that actually happen? Hell yeah, it did. Then he was like, oh, but I still love you. Anyone else getting tired? I know I am. It's around 11 o'clock. Do you guys want to head to bed? Yeah, that sounds like a good plan to me. Huh? What's wrong? Hold on, I'll be right back. No. That can't be real. It can't be possible. Moonlight, are you? I'm fine. Fine, you guys need to leave. Right now, it's like 12. You guys just need to go. I'm sorry. Well, I mean, if you want us to go. I'm sorry, I need to be alone. That's okay. You know, whatever you're struggling with, you can tell us about it. I'm not struggling with anything, it's fine. She needs space, let's just go home. Hope you feel better, Moonlight. Dreamer, wait a minute. Yeah? You're right, about everything. What? The curse, it's real, and it's after me. I don't know why, but I've had this nightmare, and I heard the howl. It was in my nightmare, and I just know it's real. Moonlight, calm down, it's okay. I just need to get them to safety, okay? Get them home safe, and hopefully this is all just some big thing in my head. Moonlight, do you want me to stay with you? No, I'm fine. I just need you to make sure that they're safe, okay? Please, do that for me. Of course. If you need something, just call me, okay? I'm only a couple houses away. Thanks, Dreamer. You're welcome. Who's there? Get away. I'm warning you. No. Sissy, Mom! Sissy, wake up. Where's Mom? I don't know. She went to go get a drink. What's wrong? Is everything okay? No, we need to get out of here. We need to find Mom and go. Why? What's happening? Come on, Sissy, just hold my hand. Come on. Mom! Mommy! Is she dead? I don't know. Mom, can you hear us? She's gone. Gone? Isn't she dead? It's okay, Sissy. We just gotta get out here as far as we can, okay? I'm scared. Come on, let's go. Sissy, where are we going? We're gonna cut through the forest. It's the quickest way to get out of town. Sissy, I can't run anymore. Sophie, you gotta hold it together, okay? The forest is right there. We're just gonna cut through. Come on. Wait, I don't hear footsteps behind me. Sophie? Sophie! Oh, no. Where'd she go? Sophie! Sophie! Hello? Sophie? Please tell me you're here. Sophie, no. Come on, you gotta be in there. I can't lose you too. Sophie! I've lost everything. This is all my fault. The wolves howl. This was a trap. What is this place?
This is the forest of lost souls.
Who's there?
Don't worry, Moonlight. I mean you no harm.
How do you know my name?
Trust me, I know everything about you.
This town really is cursed. You're the wolf. Doesn't make sense. This was in my dream.
Yes, you got that dream because you are special.
No, I'm not. Whoever you are, show yourself now because I'm done with these mind games.
This isn't a game, Moonlight. I'm a curse as well, just like the rest of us. All you have to do is join me, and all this pain will go away.
No.
Moonlight? No, with someone as great power as yours, you will have to die.
Stay back. Stay back. Hello, Moonlight. Who are you? I am the cursed blood wolf. You killed them. All of them. I did. But it's not like I wanted to. What? I have the curse. This curse, it makes me hungry for souls. And the hunger gets bigger and stronger every day. I don't even know who I am anymore. Join me, Moonlight. And we can cure the curse together. No! You have hurt a lot of people, and I will never join you. Tell me you want to heal the curse. For the last time, join me. Please, I'm begging you. No, you killed my sister. You killed my mom. I have nothing left because of you. And I would never be selfish enough to put other people in danger for something I need to deal with. I'll have to learn how to fix it when the time comes. You can't fix it. Yes, I can. And I know I can. Moonlight? Dad? No, you... Stop, you're playing with my head again. Moonlight, I'm sorry. The curse, it's getting too strong. I can't control it anymore. I just want to be better. It makes me do stupid things. I can't control it anymore. I've turned into a complete monster. I'm sorry I've inflicted that on you. How did you get like this? I was just a boy when it all happened. Me and my buddies were out on a hike on Halloween night. And when they walked away, I felt myself being pulled to the woods. And whenever I got there, I heard it. And then a voice echoed throughout the whole entire forest.
For thee that comes here, their family bloodline will forever be cursed.
I thought it was all fake. But I felt a change in myself every time the moon came out. But when I lost control, and one day I met your mother, and when I met her, I felt a sudden feeling of control. I can control my curse. But when you guys split up, you lost control. Yes, I was in a horrible stage, and I transformed into this. I can't stop myself from devouring souls. I've tried, trust me. And I never want to see you go through the same thing I had. Dad, Dad? Dad! You're going to need me to kill me, Moonlight. It's the only way for this cycle to end. You have to promise me you'll try your hardest to fight the curse. For me. And for the whole town's sake. For the whole world. In fact. Please. I promise, Dad. Moonlight, I'm losing control. The curse is getting stronger. It's over, Moonlight. I tried to get you to join my side. Could have been a great team. We could have cured the curse. But you rejected my offering. And so you rest, Moonlight. What is that? I'm so sorry, Dad.